Today I'm here with Dees and we're going to talk about app discovery. I have a problem with marketplaces at the moment, and I guess it's the same for you.
Yeah, I think it's a common thing within app marketplaces. There's sometimes too much of content, and finding the right thing is just pretty hard. Unless you've been recommended something specific, or you happen by some chance to find something that meets your taste, it's pretty hard to find the right thing.
And as a developer, it's hard to get my app in there when there's lots and lots of companies with massive marketing money that can run TV ads with their app.
I think the beauty you have, or the benefit we have, is we write for the web, and we have some huge SEO potential to uplift our mobile optimized sites.
Yes, that's the main differentiator in Firefox OS. Your apps are HTML5. So you do the same thing that you do on the web to promote your apps. So they are indexable, but what you put into your app comes out as well. So if you have text in there, that makes a lot more sense. And the mobile interfaces that we have right now on the web, like the mobile-friendly websites, become an advertisement for your app. I want you to talk through that a bit.
We have your typical search box, but I think the beauty of the search box is it allows you to search in natural language. For example, you could put in Daft Punk Get Lucky, and what you'll see is the row of icons there changing dynamically to show you relevant apps that are available just on the web. So mobile optimized apps that are on the web today.
So basically, instead of having the apps that are on your phone or in the marketplace, if you put something on the web with a manifest file, it can come up in these search terms. And it also means that the distribution that you have on the web already speaks for you. So if somebody has good SEO happening right now for them, they can just put an install button on there.
Yeah, it's really as simple as do what you're doing today, and you're still discoverable in multiple places on the web, even on your own URLs to your users.
And as a developer, I like that because I spend a lot of time on a mobile-optimized web page, and then the native revolution of apps came, and nobody cared about my website any longer. But it's still there, and now it can become your way into millions of new users that haven't got anything else on their phones. So for them, that's the first time they see apps. And if your app shows up in a search rather than in a listing of lots and lots of apps, you got a much better chance to be the #1 app in a new market.
It also gives a lot of users the chance to try out what you have on offer before actually going down the route of a marketplace and downloading and installing it. Because I think it gives you the opportunity, if you find something that you really like, to take that app and put it onto your main screen and basically act as something that you've discovered in the marketplace.
It's a huge benefit for traffic because if I'm in an emerging market, traffic costs a lot of money, and downloading a 25 meg app that I then don't like is a bad thing to happen to me. So in this case, the usability of your mobile optimized website also shows how much fun people will have with the app later on. When they like it, they go back to the search result, do a long tap on it and install it, rather than just having to install it before they see it. It's a try before you buy.
There's tons of categories that excite you. My kids, for example, go straight to the games category and discover new games on the web that I would never have found in the marketplace today.
And the benefit is you don't even have to install and buy them. You can just try them out once, maybe one level of your game, and then people can install them later on and go to the marketplace, get the full version, and you get the money from your app discovery and your in-app payments and all these things. So as a developer, I actually bring my apps to my end users by using the web and not by going into a closed market and trying to compete with people that I can't compete with because I don't have the same amount of money. And that's what the app discovery in Firefox OS is. Also, the localization is interesting. The other day I was in Poland and I was showing the demo of putting like a band in there, and it showed me a Polish music playing app that I never heard about. And that's really cool because, from country to country, you get the relevant apps for your country and not just the ones that are the biggest in the world.
Yeah, most definitely. And I think one of the more interesting things to me is that doing a search doesn't just take me to the homepage of the app, but actually is contextually relevant.
Well, there you go. Firefox OS, app discovery, there's a web for that.